daily vlog. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Today I am going to show you how to make black forest cake. I will show you a simple method how to make black forest cake. This will only take 10 minutes and I am making this in frying pan. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you are seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Come with me to the kitchen. We need milk, sugar powder, maida, ghee, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and coffee powder. Now put coffee powder into the milk. Mix well. Now take a bowl and put sugar powder and ghee. Mix well. The mix is ready. Now we will sieve and add maida. Add cocoa powder. Add baking soda. Add baking powder. Seal it. Mix well. Now add the milk mix. Mix well. The batter should be like this. Take a pan and grease with oil. Now pour the batter. Tap the pan. Cook in low flame for 10 minutes. Close with the lid. Please close the hole. After 10 minutes, we'll open and see. Let it cool for some time. Now we will do icing. I kept the whipping cream ready. Apply the cream. Now leaven it. Like this. Now put grated chocolate. Now we will decorate it. I will decorate with cherries. My cake is ready. My frying pancake is ready. This is very easy to make and anybody can make it. Please try this. It's very easy to make. So, Emina signing off. See you in the next video. Bye.